leader of the club that's made for you and me. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
You want some coffee? Puppies can't have coffee. Hey guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back. It is a cozy, very rainy day today in LA, so I thought what better thing to do than do a fun little DIY. For the longest now, I've had this idea of making a Mouseketeer name shirt, like the ones that the Mouseketeers used to wear for the Mickey Mouse Club back in the 1950s. In the true spirit of this channel, I tried to find the easiest, cheapest way of doing this for you guys, so hopefully you guys like it. And also, after the DIY, I'll be showing you guys how I completed the look for a day of Disneybounding as one of the 1950s Mouseketeers. So to make your shirt, you are going to need a white or cream colored turtleneck. I went to the thrift store and picked this baby up for $3. You're also gonna need some iron-on letters. So I found these on Amazon and they were only $6, and they were the ones that most closely resembled in terms of the font and size the shirts of the Mouseketeers from the 1950s. They're also really good quality. They don't peel off easily, which is what I read from the reviews on Amazon. I've already washed my shirt once and I haven't seen any peeling. Some folks say they have washed them multiple times and they're still like new. So I'll link these down below for y'all. And then of course, you're also gonna need an iron. Taking your shirt, you are first going to want to lay it down on a flat surface and iron any wrinkles out just to make sure you have a nice smooth application. And then once you have the surface of your shirt ready, you are going to peel the letters off and you are going to see that there's a side that is rough. This is a side that you are gonna lie face down onto your shirt. The other side is velvety and that's the correct side up. So you're just gonna peel your letters off. And I can't tell you how to spell your name, but hopefully you know how to do that. I spelled mine, V-I-C-K-E-Y. Oh no, wait, no E. I just wanna be like Mickey Mouse. And then once your name is spelled out, you are gonna wanna make sure that these are perfectly aligned. Preferably use a ruler or some straight flat surface like I have here to make sure they are being ironed on straight onto the shirt, because once they're ironed, there is no taking these babies off. Once they are in position and ready to be ironed, you are going to place your iron and just sit it on top for a couple of seconds. Do not start sliding until you press it on first, because you don't want these to move. And make sure your iron is on cotton setting. It should take you about 20 to 30 seconds to iron them on, but after that is done, that's it. You have yourself a Mouseketeer shirt with your name on it, and it only cost me under $10 to make it. To Disneybound as one of the Mouseketeers, I paired my t-shirt with this red skirt. It's from the brand Face and Face, and you can find it on Amazon. For shoes, I wore my black and white Oxford shoes. These are from the brand Predictions, and then of course you cannot be a Mouseketeer without a pair of Mickey ears. I wore my classic Mickey ears hat. And then finally, to accessorize, I have this Mouseketeers makeup bag that I bought in the Disney store. It's the one that I showed you guys that I got back in December. And I added a red ribbon to the little handle in order to double it as a clutch. And that is it, my friends. That is how I Disneybounded and DIY'd my shirt to look like a 1950s Mouseketeer. I was super in love with this outfit, and I want to think that the ducks at Disney liked it too. They seemed very intrigued by it. But then maybe they just thought I was a crazy lady, because I'm kind of obsessed with Disney ducks. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. If you like this video, subscribe if you have not already. I do lots of Disney DIYs, vintage inspired videos, and other stuff on here. As always, sending you guys a really, really big virtual hug wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Looking good, brother.